A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is human interface with the world around, powering sensory effectiveness. Ladies and gentlemen, the essence of human existence is defined by a remarkable truth, that is, the immediate world is shaped by what the senses perceive. The eyes capture light, revealing beauty and motion. The ears decode sound, anchoring awareness in space and time. The skin registers touch, connecting to textures and warmth. The nose discerns scents, evoking memories and instincts, and the tongue identifies tastes, ensuring sustenance. These five extraordinary senses form the foundation of human interaction with the environment, a gift of immeasurable value that ignites development and fosters growth. Sensory perception, however, is not static. It evolves, strengthening the brain and opening pathways to realms of understanding far beyond the physical. The sensory mechanism holds the potential to unlock unparalleled dimensions of thought, connection, and creativity. Empowering this system is not merely a biological pursuit. It is the cornerstone of realizing the profound potential encoded in human existence. At birth, the senses operate as a gateways for information, shaping neural pathways and enriching the brain with raw data. As the nervous system matures, sensory perceptions strengthen, accelerating cognitive development and allowing the brain to unfold its immense capabilities. This dynamic interaction lays the foundation for human growth, learning, and innovation. Yet, this extraordinary mechanism often remains underappreciated and neglected also. Many fail to recognize the importance of nurturing their sensory systems, thus limiting their potential and impeding their capacity to engage fully with the world. Furthermore, the sensory system is vulnerable to modern challenges, poor lifestyle choices, stress, environmental pollutants, and untreated health conditions can impair sensory effectiveness. Such neglect diminishes awareness, stifles creativity, and narrows the horizon of human potential. The sensory mechanism is far more than a biological function. It intertwines with the broader energy system, that is, physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, and aspirational. DNA expression, with its intricate programming, facilitates this integration, enabling sensory inputs to resonate with higher cognitive and emotional states. As the process unfolds, the brain connects with the cosmos, transcending the basic senses to awaken intuition, empathy, and boundless creativity. Every sense serves a distinct purpose, ensuring survival, fostering interaction, and inspiring purposeful action. Empowering this system is not merely an opportunity, but an essential human endeavor, one that calls for intentional focus, brain entrainment, and a conscious alignment with the profound design of the human system. Let's look at the way forward. Advancing sensory effectiveness demands a multi-dimensional approach. Physical well-being, supported by proper nutrition, regular exercise, and restorative sleep, forms the foundation of sensory health. Mental engagement through continuous learning and creativity strengthens neural networks, while emotional balance, cultivated through mindfulness and resilience, sharpens sensory precision. Spiritual growth, achieved through reflection, purpose, and connection, amplifies the brain's ability to access higher order perceptions. Modern science and technology provide transformative tools to support this journey. Advances in neuroscience, brain training techniques, and sensory enhancement technologies are reshaping how individuals can refine and optimize their sensory systems. Educational and healthcare frameworks must embrace sensory health as a core principle, promoting environments that encourage conscious sensory development and holistic well-being. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the sensory mechanism is humanity's gateway to existence. When empowered, it transforms survival into thriving, isolation into connection, and limitation into infinite possibility. Neglecting sensory development, however, risks leaving vast human potential unrealized. Conscious nurturing of the senses is not just a biological imperative, it is the key to brain entrainment and the unfolding of life's highest aspirations. The sensory system is the portal to the human spirit, a timeless pursuit with rewards that transcend the boundaries of the imaginable. Embracing this path is the ultimate step towards a life of purpose, connection, and extraordinary growth. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.